This is the revolutionary Tornado T2 rotary Lobe pump from NETZSCH. Two rotors convey the medium from the inlet side to the discharge side. The rotors are synchronized and driven by the double-sided tooth belt drive. Positioning the drive above the pump results in a small installation envelope. The pump can be completely serviced in place without the need for any special tools. The rotor setting device is integral with the front cover. Removing the front cover gives full access to the pump chamber from flange to flange. The front cover incorporates a replaceable elastomer liner. The rotors are retained outside of the pump chamber. The taper lock is released using standard tools. This is done in a clean surrounding. The straight-sided rotors can be fitted and removed independently, unlike helical rotors. The cartridge mechanical seals are removed with the rotors. The housing liner is easily removed. Reassembling the pump is just as easy as the disassembly. On assembly, the mechanical seals are self-setting, and correct positioning is guaranteed. The setting device both synchronizes and positions the rotors. Tightening the taper lock retains the rotors. The casing and cover liner are sealed by the integral sealing bead. The front cover and setting device are refitted to the casing. The drivetrain of the Tornado T2 is equally revolutionary. Removing the guard gives access to the drive system. The belt drive is oil-free and needs no planned maintenance. If required, the belt tension can be easily adjusted. In the unlikely event that the belt has to be changed, this is a simple operation. The pump can be ATEX certified and used in explosive areas. The belt is electrically conductive and there is no static electricity generated.